So up here, we are going to do some things. It says print the square root of your age using math square root. System.out.println square root of age plus, use your age, not mine. All right. The second one, print the absolute value of your age minus 1,000 using math.abs. System.out.println age minus 1,000. I'm going to make things line up. Just bump it over. Let's run it, make sure it's working. Print 7 to the 4th power using math.pow. All right, square root of age minus 1,000. And don't worry about the zeros, that's coming. So now we're doing, I want 7 to the 4th plus math.pow. The base is 7 and the power is 4. And there we go. Let's make sure that works. I forget if that's 343 or 21 something, but we'll see. Oh yeah, 2401. That's what it is. And then finally for part 4, I made a loop, and you get to ignore this code, but I'm asking you to replace the 0 of the expression int r equals 0 with math.random code that creates a random integer between 3 and 9 inclusive. And the code's going to print 20 of those numbers on the line, and then we'll be checking to make sure the numbers are right. So right here, we're going to replace this 0 with int. It's always, if I'm asking you for an integer, you have to do that. And I want to remind you again, it's times the range plus start, and the range is the high number, the biggest number minus the smallest number. So 9 minus 3 is 6 plus 1. So the range is 7, and the start is 3. So now when we run this, see that I'm using R right here to print. So anyway, we run this, we need to make sure that there are no numbers smaller than 3 or bigger than 9. They're all 1-digit numbers. Everything's good. And I, with 20 samples, you really ought to have at least 1 3 and 1 9. Although since it's random, it could not have those numbers. And if you don't have a 3 and a 9 in your thing, run it again and make sure you do. Or you might have done something wrong. Also, if you don't have a 7 and a 3, then you did do it wrong. All right.